Astral projection is an experience that many people have had at some point in their lives. It is the ability to leave your body and travel in the astral dimension. There are many different beings that reside in this dimension, and it can be a very interesting place to explore. If you are interested in learning more about astral projection, there are many resources available to help you get started. With a little practice, anyone can learn to astral project. Start your journey today. There are many benefits of astral projection, including the ability to explore different areas of the astral dimension and meet new and interesting beings. Astral projection can also be used for healing purposes, as it can help to cleanse the soul and release negative energy. The astral dimension is a vibrational level of reality that is adjacent to the physical world. It is inhabited by non-physical beings of various kinds, including angels, guides, and loved ones who have passed on. There are also beings known as elementals, who are responsible for the maintenance and balance of the natural world. The astral dimension is a place of great beauty and peace, and it can be accessed through the practice of astral projection. With astral projection, you can explore different areas of the astral dimension and meet new and interesting beings. This practice can also be used for healing purposes, as it can help to cleanse the soul and release negative energy. There are many different levels or dimensions inside the astral realm. The most well-known and researched are the lower astral planes, which are often divided into 4 subplanes. These lower astral planes are where most people go when they first start learning astral projection. With practice, it is possible to travel to the higher astral planes. These higher planes are said to be even more beautiful and peaceful than the lower ones, and they are inhabited by more evolved beings. Some of the highest levels of the astral realm are said to be beyond description in human terms. Regardless of where you choose to explore in the astral realm, there is sure to be something that fascinates and interests you. So why not start your journey today? Techniques to astral project. There are many different ways to achieve astral projection. Some people find it helpful to use visualization techniques, while others prefer to use auditory or kinesthetic methods. Whichever method you choose, the important thing is to relax and let go of your physical body. Once you have done this, you will be free to explore the astral dimension. Some people find it helpful to use visualization techniques, while others prefer to use auditory or kinesthetic methods. Whichever method you choose, the important thing is to relax and let go of your physical body. Once you have done this, you will be free to explore the astral dimension. The rope technique is one of the most popular methods for astral projection. To use this technique, you simply imagine yourself climbing a rope that is suspended from the ceiling. As you climb higher and higher, you will begin to feel your body becoming lighter and more ethereal. At this point, you can release your hold on the rope and allow yourself to float freely in the astral dimension. The binaural beats technique is another popular method for astral projection. This technique makes use of special tones that help to alter your brainwave state. When your brainwaves are in the correct state, it becomes easier to astral project. There are many different programs available that offer binaural beats specifically designed for astral projection. There are a couple of dangers associated with astral projection. The first is that you could become lost in the astral dimension and not be able to find your way back to your physical body. This is why it is important to have a clear goal in mind before you begin astral projecting. It is also important to be aware of your surroundings at all times and not to go too far from your body. The second danger is that you could encounter negative beings while in the astral dimension. These beings may try to block your return to your body or even harm you. However, if you remain aware of your surroundings and keep a positive attitude, you will be able to protect yourself from these negative entities.